adventures, stories, and songs come alive. Silly goose laughing way too loud, Panda and Blaze chasing through the clouds, Loki waddling through the snowy white, finding courage in the southern light. Florida Granny by the seaside shore, teaching hearts to dream a little more. Milo swimming through the crystal springs, showing children hope can heal all things. Every adventure, every song helps little hearts discover where they belong. Rooted and roaming, come wander a while, where friendship and wonder stretch for miles and miles. Through magical forests and oceans so blue, there's a story waiting somewhere just for you. Under lanterns glowing soft at night, stories gather in the firelight. Penguins dancing where the cold winds sing, pirates sailing wild with the ocean breeze. Little paws and feathers everywhere, magic floating gently through the air. Books wide open by the riverside, wonder waiting on every page inside. From brave little hearts to skies untamed, every story whispers you were made this way. Rooted and roaming, come wander a while, where bravery and kindness live in every smile. From dragons to springs to stars up above, every page we write is stitched together with love. Aria flies through stormy skies, with brave young hope inside her eyes. Pirates sail and lanterns glow, through every tale our children grow. Kindness matters, dreams take flight, stories help the dark feel light. And every child deserves to see how magical this world can be. With every turn page, a new adventure returns. From laughter to healing, from courage to song, these stories remind us we belonged all along. So open the cover, step into the light. Rooted and roaming will carry you tonight.